Hello friends, and welcome back to class.
Yoo-hoo!
In today's class, we will be digging into the world of excavators. Excavators are so cool. Raise your hand if you like excavators. Good job. Excavators are super cool machines that can dig holes, smash buildings, load trucks, help move big and heavy things around job sites all around the world.
That's so cool!
There are so many different types of excavators, from teeny tiny to huge giants. Look at these amazing machines. They can go anywhere, from mountains to the ocean. So cool, right? Now, let's learn about some different parts of an excavator. Let's get started. First, there is the arm, also called the boom. Look at this giant arm. It can reach deep into the ground, go underwater, and reach tall buildings. Wow, that's so cool, right? Next, we have a bucket at the end of the arm. It's like a giant scoop that helps dig into the ground and carry heavy things. Up next is the tracks. They're like the excavator's shoes that help this giant move around so easily. These tracks can drive over anything, even huge rocks. Next is the operator's cap. This is where the excavator operator sits to drive the excavator and control the arm and bucket. Excavators can swap the bucket for many different kinds of attachments to complete different jobs, like demolishing buildings with these giant scissors. Cutting trees using these tree shears. Grabbing and picking up heavy stuff with this grapple. Or breaking really hard things like a rock with this giant hammer.
That's so cool!
Excavators are so cool, they can do just about anything. Well, it was fun learning about excavators with you. We hope you enjoyed this video. See ya in the next one. Bye-bye. Hello friends, and welcome back to class.
Yoo-hoo!
Today, we will be learning about bulldozers, also known as earth movers. Bulldozers are incredible machines used all over the world to push large amounts of dirt and rocks. They help clear and level the ground for construction sites. Help with lifting and moving heavy objects all around the work site.
Awesome!
There are so many different types of bulldozers, each designed for a specific job. From this teeny tiny bulldozer to this giant, which can literally move mountains. So cool! Let's look at some different types of bulldozers and learn their names. First, we have the crawler bulldozer. Can you repeat that with me? Crawler bulldozer.
Yippee!
The biggest and most powerful bulldozer, which runs on heavy-duty steel tracks.
Awesome!
Up next is the wheeled bulldozer.
Cool!
This bulldozer has giant wheels instead of tracks.
Wow!
Next is the front end loader. Can you repeat that with me? Front end loader.
Yippee!
This is the most commonly used bulldozer because it can perform many different tasks, such as lifting heavy rocks, loading trucks, and removing snow. Last is the compactor bulldozer. Can you repeat that with me? Compactor bulldozer.
Yahoo!
This bulldozer has giant wheels made of steel, which help it compact the ground by driving over it. So cool!
Yippee!
Now let's look at some different parts of a bulldozer. First, we have this strong blade that helps the bulldozer push large amounts of dirt and rocks.
That's so cool!
Next is these heavy-duty tracks, which help the bulldozer drive over anything, even these huge rocks. Up next is the operator's cap. This is where the bulldozer operator sits to drive and control different parts of a bulldozer.
Wow!
Bulldozers are so awesome. They can plow through anything.
Yippee!
Well, it was fun learning about bulldozers with you. We hope you enjoyed this video. See ya in the next one. Bye-bye. Hello friends, and welcome back to class.
Yoo-hoo!
Today's topic is dump trucks. Where we will be learning some cool things about dump trucks. From big to small. And what makes them awesome. Are you guys excited? Let's get started. Dump trucks are used all around the world to move huge amount of materials from one place to another. Dump trucks come in all different shapes and sizes for many different jobs, such as construction, building roads, Mining operations.
Wow!
Agriculture. Can you repeat these 4 words with me? Construction. Building roads. Mining operations. Agriculture. Good job. Dump trucks are so big and powerful, they can carry huge loads. Dump trucks have many cool parts. Let's explore them together.
Yoo-hoo!
First up, we have the dump bed. Can you repeat after me? Dump bed. Good job. Dump bed is like the truck's giant backpack. It can carry very heavy loads.
Oh, wow! That's so cool!
Next, we have wheels and tires. Can you repeat after me? Wheels and tires. Good job. Dump trucks have huge wheels and tires.
Wow!
These wheels are so big and heavy, they can weigh more than a car.
Wow!
So cool, right? Next is the driver's cab. Can you repeat after me? Driver cab. Good job. This is where the driver sits to drive the truck and control all the parts, like lifting and lowering the dump bed. Last but not least is the big and powerful engine behind this grill. Can you repeat after me? Engine. Good job. This engine is like dump truck's beating heart. It provides all the power to move this giant dump truck.
Wow!
What an awesome machine! Well, that's it for today. We hope you enjoyed learning about dump trucks. See ya in the next one. Bye-bye. Hello friends, and welcome back to class. Today, our topic is concrete mixer, also known as cement mixer.
Yoo-hoo!
These amazing trucks are used to transport concrete from production plant to construction sites all around town. Concrete mixers come in many different shapes, colors, and sizes. Concrete mixers help build bridges, roads, sidewalks, houses, and tall buildings. A concrete mixer has many different parts. Let's learn them together. First, we have this giant rotating drum,
Yoo-hoo!
which is one of the most important parts of a concrete mixer. This is where concrete is stored while on its way to a construction site. This giant drum spins round and round to prevent the concrete from becoming hard. Next is the chute. It's like a magic slide for concrete.
Hooray!
It helps pour out concrete and direct it where it needs to go. Now, let's look at wheels and tires. Mixed concrete can be very heavy. That's why concrete mixers have lots of wheels to help carry the extra load.
That's so cool.
Now, let's repeat what we learned today. Concrete mixers have a big rotating drum for mixing, lots of wheels to carry the extra load, and a chute for pouring out the mixed concrete. Concrete trucks are such amazing machines.
Yippee!
They help build the world around us.
That's so cool.
Well, it was fun learning about concrete mixers with you. We hope you enjoyed this video. See ya in the next one. Bye-bye.